In this video, we'll walk you through how to open, lock, and program your SentrySafe fireproof digital safe. Let's get started. To unlock your safe, first, locate the 5-digit factory code found on the back of your owner's manual. Be sure to store the code in a secure location. Next, enter the code into the keypad. A green light remains illuminated to indicate the code is correct. You will then have 5 seconds to open your safe. Pull the handle outward to open the door. To lock your safe, simply close the door to re-engage the locking bolts. Wait 5 seconds and try to open your safe without entering any code to ensure the safe is locked. For quick access, or if the combination is lost or forgotten, the override key can be used in select models to unlock the safe. To open, insert your override key into the cylinder and turn it to the unlocked position. Then, simply pull the handle outward to open the door. To program your safe, you have 3 options: factory code, user code, and secondary code. The safe will always unlock using the 5-digit factory code found on the back of your owner's manual. This code cannot be deleted. You can also program your safe using a 5-digit user code of your choice, as well as an additional secondary code. This code can be changed or deleted. A secondary code can only be programmed after a user code has been activated. Now, let's talk about how to add your user code. To get started, press P on the keypad. Then, enter the 5-digit factory code found on the back of your owner's manual. The light will flash green to indicate you have entered the factory code correctly. You will then have 5 seconds to enter your own personal 5-digit user code. To delete a user code, press P on the keypad. Then enter the 5-digit factory code. Once you have input your factory code, enter the number 00000. The electronic lock will not indicate that it has deleted the user code, so it's important to test the code to make sure it has been deleted. To program and delete a secondary code, please refer to the owner's manual. And that's it. We hope you enjoy your SentrySafe fireproof digital safe.